This might be the easiest way to turn a sweet potato into something seriously addictive. If you enjoy simple recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe and check the full recipe in the description. Start with 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Add 1/8 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of onion powder. Add 1 garlic clove, finely minced. Mix everything together until smooth and creamy. This is your garlic butter. Now cut the sweet potato in half lengthwise. Take a baking tray lined with parchment paper and create 4 small mounds of Parmesan, leaving space between each one. Place each half of sweet potato on top of the Parmesan, skin side up. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes, or cook in the air fryer at 170 degrees Celsius for 22 to 30 minutes, depending on the size. You'll get a crispy Parmesan crust on the bottom and a soft, buttery center. Now for toppings, completely optional, but highly recommended. Try guacamole with a poached egg, cheddar and bacon, pico de gallo with sour cream, or salsa verde for a fresh finish. Add your favorites and make it your own. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe for more easy and delicious meals like this.